Hello guys, welcome to my channel Maths Pursuit. Today we are going to look into exercise 5.2 question 20 from chapter 5 called arithmetic progression. So let's see what exactly is given in question number 20. Now moving on to question number 20, it is given that Ram Kalli saved rupees 5 in the first week of a year and then increased her weekly savings by rupees 1.75. If in the nth week her weekly saving becomes rupees 20.75, find n. Guys, it looks like this question is again a very easy one, and from the data it looks like it forms an arithmetic progression with a difference or common difference of rupees 1.75. Now let us see how we can solve this question. Solution.
So as per the question, Ramkalli, a person who started saving starting from rupees 5 and then increasing her savings each week by rupees 1.75, and they have given that at a particular week the savings became 20.75. so we are going to find out that week in which it became 20.75. so let's see what we have, and we can just note down the things that we have and we can move ahead. So let's say in the first week when she started saving, I can write let me write week as WK. So in the first week when she started saving, the amount was 5, and then consequently the amount was 5. Then second week the amount became this 5 plus 1.75, because it increased by rupees 1.75 each week. So here the savings became 6.75. Third week the amount became 6.75 plus 1.75, that became 8. And nth week, we don't know this one, similarly it will keep continuing, but here the savings became 20.75. okay, so we are going to find this nth value. Now let's make this on as A1, A2, A3 and AN. So that's all guys, we are going to, this is the required data we have. Now we are going to find out. Let's see. I always prefer putting the data in a particular table so that it will be easy while making the calculations. Here we will be using the same formula, AN is equal to A1 plus N minus 1 into D. This is one of the important formula guys, I have told in each and every session that we need to remember this formula so that most of the time we can use this formula to derive the missing things. Here we could see that we have everything but D is missing. So in order to move ahead, first of all let us find out D, and our motto is to find out this particular value N. Okay, so here D is equal to difference of any consecutive numbers, but we need to start from the end. That means we need to find the difference from second term minus first term, or third term minus second term. So here just I will take A2 minus A1, that is equal to 6.75 minus 5, that is equal to 1.75. guys, we very well know the difference from the question, because the question is the question very well states that each week the savings is increasing by 1.75. that means that is the difference only. So here we got the value of D as 1.75. Now let us put the things in this equation. Particularly in this equation we can put the things and we can find out what we are getting for the value of N. Now guys, here I can write 20.75 is equal to A1 is 5 plus N minus 1. Here we don't know N, we are going to find out N into 1.75. Or I can say 20.75 is equal to 5 plus 1.75 N minus 1.75. Further solving this equation, I am getting 20.75 is equal to 3.25 plus 1.75 N. or I can say 1.75 n is equal to 20.75 minus 3.25, which is nothing but 17.50, or I can say n is equal to 17.50 by 1.75, that is equal to 10. Therefore n is equal to 10. So guys, here we got the value of n because it asked us in which week the savings became 20.75. So we could see that in 10th week the value of the amount became 20.75 if she keeps on saving 1.75 each week. So we can say that the value of n is 10. That's all guys. I believe this question is very easy, but we need to understand the question first of all, then it would be easy in which way we need to move or how we need to move. But still guys, if you have any doubts or confusions, kindly reach out to me in the comment section of this video. I will definitely get back to you once I see your comments.
If you really like my videos, I would request you to kindly subscribe and also let your friends know. This will motivate me to create similar videos in the future. Thank you. Bye.